In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn your kids' handwriting into the sweetest gift. For this project, I'm having my kids write directly on the water-soluble stabilizer. It's a sticker that you can stick it directly on the object that you're stitching. The other option is to have them write it on paper, and then you can use carbon transfer paper like I do in all my other videos. But either way, both are linked below. And stabilizer is always a good idea when you're stitching a shirt or a bag or anything like that. So I cut all the excess off and I'm going to stick this right onto a shirt. These shirts are awesome. I wear them all the time. They're only $2.99 and I will have them linked below. So this just peels off just like a regular sticker, and it acts as the stabilizer, so you don't need extra stabilizer underneath your hoop. I always use a hoop when stitching, but you don't have to. I just feel like it helps keep the other fabric out of the way. And it helps to keep your embroidery smoother because your fabric is staying tight. For this project, I am using 4 strands of embroidery floss. So there's 4 right there. I'm going to unravel it. And then I'm going to put my needle through it so it's at the center and then knot the end of it. So now I have 8 strands. I usually do 2 strands to make 4, but I want this to be a little bit thicker because it's such a large shirt and larger handwriting. Then I'm just going to do the back stitch to stitch right over their little handwriting. These are a really cute, handmade, thoughtful gift that you can do for anybody, grandparents, aunts, and uncles. You can do it on t-shirts, bags. You can just do their handwriting on hoops to keep forever. I really love doing handwriting embroidery projects. And it's so much easier than you think it would be. Like you saw for this one, I had my kids write directly on the stabilizer, but if you needed to make their handwriting a different size, you can take handwriting from a card or anything and take a picture of it, upload it into Canva, and then you can adjust the size as you need and print it out whatever size that works for you. And then you can transfer that pattern you just made onto this stabilizer, or you can transfer it directly onto the object and just stick stabilizer behind it. And then I'm just knotting the back when I need to add more thread or go to a different spot in the embroidery. I have a bunch of shirts that I've embroidered for myself, and you cannot feel this thread behind it at all. It doesn't bother anybody. And it also washes incredibly well. I always throw my shirts in the washing machine and then usually in the dryer, and it holds up very well. Once you are done, you can remove the hoop, and then we are going to wash off that stabilizer. So it's water soluble. You want to use kind of warm water. And then the most important part is you want to make sure that you get all of it off. If there's still a little bit of the residue left and you dry it or anything, it ends up being very stiff. So you want to make sure that you rinse it all off. And that is it, a very quick and inexpensive gift for anybody in your life. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video.